Good morning, students. Today we'll study about the fourth chapter of civics, that is growing up as boys and girls. As you know, you are also in a stage of growing as boys and girls. So we'll learn in this chapter how with the growing stages the discrimination exists in the society. In this chapter, an introduction about boys and the girls is given. Then the discrimination between the boys and the girls in a society or in a country. Then the importance of the female in a society. Then how we can prevent this awareness in our society. Simply, being boy or a girl is important part of one's identity. The society from the very beginning teaches us the kind of behavior a boy should have or a girl should have, the things a boy should do or the things a girl should not do. Like in the chapter, the case of Madhya Pradesh is taken, that is, they had given a view of the school outlook that is meant for the girls and the school meant for the boys. Simply, the difference is given in this example. Now, girls, when young, are taught so many things, and the nature is nurtured as a caring, soft, and when she grows up as an adult, she is described as a woman, and she learns all about the caring with the time. But as I told you, the discrimination of the gender starts from the very beginning of our life, and it is against the civil rights violation. If any kind of discrimination in society exists, it is simply illegal and against the violation of the rights. In the previous years, the girl child used to be killed in mother's womb, due to which lot of downfall in the birth rate of girl child existed. But after some time, people got educated and aware, and government implemented some strict rules and regulation, due to which the process is reduced yet now. But simply not only through rules and regulation, we as a part of the society, how we can prevent this discrimination. As government has taken so many steps, framed so many rules, laws, but still it is existing in our society. So being responsible citizens, we have to take initiative to reduce this discrimination and just increase or raise our voice for the equality, for the rights, and to protest against this discrimination in society. As we know, the female, the woman, plays a vital role in our society, in our family. But again, as it is mentioned, the equality in our constitution, but it is not existing in our society on ground. So government has taken so many steps and so many schemes or policies are framed to uplift or to value the work of the female, as she works a lot from morning till late night, but her work is not counted anywhere or not valued, as she takes care of the family members, the children's, elderlies, and others. She performs all the domestic works at home from morning to night, but this is again all are assumed as she is not doing any work and they are not valued and not even paid. So this is the chapter in which we'll study or we saw the discrimination of the female or a girl child in our society. This is all about the chapter. Thank you.